The Butterfly Kiss by Cal Exotics and we go way back. For at least 12 years, I've been recommending it to my clients as a must for beginners and a classic for experienced vibe users. And now it has a new upgrade. I'm sexologist Dr. Jill, and I am so thrilled. The iconic Butterfly Kiss is now rechargeable! Available in 3 colors and featuring 2 motors, I've always loved how perfectly ergonomic it is for dual clitoral and G-spot stimulation. The fluttering wings of the butterfly hit the sides of the clitoris, the antenna hit the top, and the ridges on the body hit the front for clit stimulation from all angles. The shaft is flexible with a bulbous tip that is perfectly sized to hit the G-spot, and it can flex to fit your unique shape and angles. It's perfect and cute and silicone and waterproof and now rechargeable!